Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just going to simply show you how you can make your own hair extension, as you can see. And by the way, this is where I've joined the two elastic, these two, yeah. But anyway, I'm just going to simply take you step by step on how I achieved this. And as you can see, I have like two clips. I've placed mine. This is the first one and this is the second one. As you can see, they are different, so watch the whole video and you'll see how this one is looking like. And I've used like a stopper, and this is just a simple way you can just make your own extension net. And actually the cost of this is just like, I think, 2,000 shillings, 200 shillings, 100 shillings if I'm not wrong. But you can see I've just used like maybe 50 bob, yeah, 50 shillings for just this net. So if you want to see how I achieved this net, keep on watching, watch till the end, and comment down below on what you think. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to use needle and thread. I'm going to use this mesh cap. I'm going to use this stopper. I'm also going to use this what do you call this elastic bands. Also, I'm going to use this safety pin. Last but not least, I'm going to use a pair of scissors. So these are the items that I'm going to be using. If I add more items, you're going to see in the video, so watch the whole video. So now I'm going to take this measuring this mesh what am I going to call this? This is just a net that you can purchase this, I think, for 50 shillings, 30 shillings, I don't know, because this is just an old one that I had and I knew that it will come in handy. But I've seen them being sold on the streets of Nairobi. Also, you can check on your cosmetic shop. And by the way, don't mind my nails, I'm trying to find time to go and get them done. So I'm just going to cut this like so. This elastic band, you can see how worn out it is. I don't know if you can see. So I just want to remove so that I can have a flat surface to work on. So now that now that I've able like to remove most of the part of this thing, I don't know why it's refusing. So you can see how worn out it is as compared, even it's not elastic. So we are done with that. So these two I'm going to use. I find them like smaller. I bought this at 10 shillings at Du Bois Road. So this is how circular it looks when it's like with no elastic. So now I'm just going to cut, and what I'm going to do is just maybe I'm just going to, I think I'm going to divide this into two equal parts, and then I cut it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no.
So now I have like two equal parts. I think they are equal. I think this one is smaller. I'm just going to use this one. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just measuring using my hand. So I'm just going to cut these sides aside, and then I'm going to work, but I'm going to leave like an allowance like there.
I don't wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll.
So there is my this is like a square-ish type of band. Now I'm just going to bend this side like so, and also like this. As you can see, like this side is already like bent. This is where I'm going to pass through this elastic band, and I'm just going to bend this side. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So let me just place it under, and then I sew it so it can be easier, but you can just decide to sew in just easy. So I'm just taking my needle and thread, and then I'm going to start sewing. So this is what I have so far. I've just inserted this elastic band, as you can see. Now I'm left with this part, and I just want to show you how I've been doing. So I decided like to use this, but this is not strong enough. So when you want to use a safety pin, use a safety pin which is strong enough. Now what I'm going to do is just, I've already like sewn in on this side. This side was already like done for me, and also this side, and this is where the two elastic, this elastic, and also I've joined the two elastic. Yeah, so now I'm just going to show you, since I don't have like a strong safety pin, I'm going to show you how I'm doing. So I'm just placing the elastic over like so, and then just bending it, and then I start sewing. And I have doubled the thread, so now I'm just going to start like sewing, and I'm just going to start from this side.
Go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to
Like the final result. But now, for in order like when I'm done like sewing the hair extension that I'm going to like place like sew in this extension, I have only this one left, and this one you can purchase it at 20 shillings at your near cosmetic shop. But if you can't find that, you can use this. Yeah, I've never used this one ever before, so I'm just going to cut it over here, and then just sewing it. I've never actually used this one ever before. I'm just going to cut it, and now I'm just going to place one at the bottom, which is this side, and one at this other side, and then I'm just going to sew in here and here. But if you're cutting this outlet is over here, just place yours over here, and then the other comb over here. So these are just the final result, and this is just how it looks. And if you are not new to my YouTube channel, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new, kindly don't leave without subscribing, so that you can see like the final result of this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.